logic gates بوابات منطقية. Okay. Okay. On logic gates يعتمد على logic circuit. Okay, which operation مالتها it is on digital signal. We know that what is digital signal now, it is 1 and 0, so it means that on and off. Logic circuit actually, it's we build it by using electronic circuit. So you know from 269 transistor, diode, MOSFET, and all these. أنا ما بدش داخل details of each gate, so I want to work with a gate from outside, from input and output. شنو داخل هذا البوكس؟ Okay, so داخل هذا البوكس here we have electronic circuit. Okay, could be transistor, for example. It could be diode, could be MOSFET, could be many things. ما شغل what is inside. Okay, it is a closed box. So بعرف هذه الانبوت and this is output. طيب. So let me start with one by one. So the first one, not gate. Symbol that we used for not, it is this. So we have one input and one output. This symbol. So then this is, for example, A, this is the output X. Since we work with A as a binary, so my input is A, output equal to X. So it is binary. So then we have two possibilities here, either 1 or 0. ما عندي شيء ثاني. So it could be 1. Okay, if the input is 0, then the output will be equal to not, which means that it is invert whatever we have in the input, so then it becomes 1. And if it is 0, then this one will be equal to, if it is 1, then it becomes 0. If it is 0, it becomes 1. علمنا أول شيء هذه الsymbol multi that we use it. And this is, we call it truth table. So here truth table, it is only 2. But if we have more than one input, it's going to increase. So then this is truth table. Okay, this X, I can write it as X equal to A complement. Okay, and this one, we call it, it is Boolean. Expression. Okay, شكلها في السيركت same as. Okay, هذه مو داخل. It is not what is inside here. ولكن how it's work, it is same as this one. So suppose I have a lamp here, and we put the switch. So if switch is on, it's off, then lamp will be on. هذه off. Okay, this is on. If we close the switch, then it becomes short circuit here, then lamp will be off. ممكن واحد يفهمها بهذه الصورة if you want. طيب. if we cascade many knots, okay, so then if the input here is A, then the output from this one will be equal to A complement. Okay, what's about this one? It is A complement complement. نفي إثبات, so then it becomes A. Okay, it is actually A complement complement. Double complement is equal to A. So then here we have A complement. Then here we have A complement complement which is equal to A. لأن واحد يقول لي ليش قاعد تسوي كذا؟ يعني البداية عندي A وبعدين في النهاية يكون عندي A. Yeah, possibility. There is a possibility for this one if I want a delay, for example. إذا B عندي الoperation, okay, some operation here, but it's going to take a time, okay, so waiting for the result. So one possible, for sure that this one is going to take a time, this one is going to take a time. فخلنا نقول, for example, it is 1 microsecond, this is another one, this is another one, this is another one. So if you want the result, same result, to appear here on the output, but after 4 seconds. So you can do this. واضح؟ Okay, شنو بعد؟
واضح دكتور.
Okay, also we need this one. Suppose this is my A. And this is the output. So let me say this is 1, 2, and so on. So the output is opposite of A. So then from 0 to 1 will be equal to 0. Then from 1 to 1 will be high. From 2 to whatever, it is again equal to 0. So this is the output. هذه نسميها الويف فورم or timing diagram. Okay, فالحين تعلمنا عدة أشياء. أول شيء the symbol for any gate. So now we know what is the symbol for not. Truth table, Boolean expression, and timing diagram. واضح؟ أي سؤال here؟ And gate. 4 أشياء حق كل واحدة لازم نعرف. Symbol, truth table, Boolean expression, and timing diagram. Okay, symbol for and is this one. We have 2, A, B, and this is the output, X. Truth table for this. So we have 2 inputs. And this is the output. Okay. شنو possibility for the input? It is 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, which is we count from 0 to 3 in binary. هذه equivalent to 0 in decimal. This is equivalent to 1. This is equivalent to 2, this is equivalent to 3. Okay, which means that the number of possibilities equal to 2 to the power of n هذه الانput. So if it is 2, then it will be equal to 2 to 2, which is equal to 4 possibilities. If it is equal to 1, then it is equal to 2 to 1. Sorry. Yep. طيب شنو قلنا بعد؟ Okay. How it's work this and المهم حط في بالك ان that's equal to 2 to the power of n. If I have simple circuit ولكن please this is not inside what is here. هذه مجرد شيء توضيحي. اوكي هذا مجرد توضيح. So suppose I have 2 switches here connected in series and here we have lamp. If this is switch A and this is switch B, so then if A equal to 0 or B equal to 0, which means that off, then lamp will be off. The lamp will be on only, and if and only if this is on and this is on, which means that 1 and 1. So if this is 0, 0, then the output will be equal to 0. If this is 0, this is 1, still it will be equal to 0. Why? Because the current here will be equal to 0 since this is open. And if this is equal to 1 and this one equal to 0, then again it is equal to 0. Okay, when both, okay, 1, then the output will equal to 1. Okay, this one, we call it this 2 input and gate. معناته إنه we could have 3, 4, 5 and so on. So this is 2 inputs. Okay, Boolean expression for this one, how to write it? X equal to A, B. A, B. I don't want to say that this is multiplication. I move multiplication, so يعني it is and A and B. Okay, yeah, تشتغل نفس الشيء. 0 multiplied by 0, 0 multiplied by 1, 1 multiplied by 0, 1 multiplied by 1 equal to 1. So, but don't read it as multiplied. No, it is A and B. طيب, if I connect this one and this, what do we get here?
A.
We get A. واضح إذن. So output equal to, this is A, the A, and this is A. So then the output X equal to A and A. Okay, and A, it is not equal to A squared, it is equal to A. عشان كذي أقول لك don't read it as multiplication. So A dot A equal to A. Okay, واضحة here. So this is A, this is X. So 0 means that 0, 0, which means that directly equal to 0. And if it is 1, which means that this is 1, this is 1. So the output equal to 1. So then the x here, it is exactly equal to a. It is not a square. Okay, so then this is the Boolean expression. طيب. Okay, this is A, B, C, D. Okay, this is 4 inputs. Okay, AND gate. What is the Boolean expression for this one? شلون اكتبها؟ X equal to
A, B, C, D.
okay, so this is A and B and C and D. Okay, when X equal to 1, مثل X equal to 1.
All of these equal to 1. A, B,
Okay,
C, D.
if and only if, okay, A, B, C, and D all equal to 1s. Otherwise, يعني لو واحدة منهم equal to 0, okay, then the output will be equal to 0. Okay, so how to build the truth table for 4? Okay, so it is 2 to 4. It means that it is 16 possibilities. Okay, مثل ما قلنا, it is 2 to n. Okay, if the input possibility, so if it is n equal to 1, so then we have 2 possibilities, 0 and 1. If it is 2, then 4 possibilities. And if it is 4 here, then we have 2 to 4, 16 possibilities. 16 possibilities, it means that it is start from 0, 0, 0, 0, okay, until 1, 1, 1, 1. So this is number 0, and this is number 15, equivalent في الديسيمال. اوكي اسويها مره واحده لكن مرات الجايه انت مفروض تعرف تسويها. So for the truth table here, A, B, C, D for 4 inputs. Start with this one, 0, 0, 0, 0, then 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1. كأنه قاعد امشي كذي. اول شيء this is 0 بعدين 1. بعدين this is 1, this is 0, بعدين 1, 1. خلصت الحين يبدأ دور البي. So then it is 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1, 0, and 0, 1, 1, 1. Okay, then start with A. So it is 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1. The last now it is A and B. 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1. هذه التروث table. Okay, so for AND, then X output, if it's enough to see 1, 0 here, to say that the output equal to 0. Okay, it is equal to 1 only if and only if A, B, C, D all equal to 1s. واضح. سويت أنا التروث table here, so let me use it for and it's mean that this is equal to 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. Why? Because we have 1 zeros here, so 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, and this is 1. Okay, suppose I have AND with the 3 inputs now. A, B, and C. I want to draw a timing diagram for X. So as we said that here, if one of these equal to 0, then the output will be equal to 0. And then from 0 to 1 equal to 0 because this is 0. But from 1 to 2, this is equal to 1, 1, 1. So here it will be equal to 1. Okay, from 2 to 3, this is equal to 0. Then ارجع back to 0. Okay, 3 to 4, this is 0. Okay, 4 to 5, this is 0. 5 to 6, this is 0. Okay, 6 to 7, this is 0. So again, 0. 7 to 8, this is 1, this is 1, this is 1. So this is equal to 1. Okay, بعدين 8 to 9, this is 0. Okay, after 9, this is equal to 0, then for sure or equal to 0. أي سؤال هنا؟ Any question? Okay, خلصنا من ال and, not, and. So let me see or gate. Symbol that we use for or to this one. So this is A, this is B, and this is X. So similarly here, we have two inputs. So then this is two inputs or gates. Could be 3, could be 4, could be whatever. Okay, truth table for this one. Again, we have two possibilities and output. So 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. طيب, or it is same as this one. You have two switches connected in parallel. The A and this is B. And let me say that here we have lamp. So the lamp will be on if any of these equal to 1 or both. إذا الاثنين off, then this one will be equal to 0. Okay, either high off, then this one will be equal to off, 0. If one of these equal to 1, then the output will be equal to 1. So an or directly, it is if you see 1 here, then directly equal to 1. So then this is 0, this is 1, this is 1, this is 1. Okay, what is the Boolean expression here? X. It is equal to A or B. It is not a plus. Okay, وإلا بيكون 1 plus 1, it's equal to 0 and carry 1. It is not a plus. It is or now. Okay, في البوليان expression معناتها هذه or. Same as we said that A and B, it is not multiplication. So here same. Okay, it is or. But what's about this? If I have or and I connect it like this, this is A. What is X? X is A or A, and A or A, it is not equal to 2A. It is equal to A again. Okay, simply this. This is A, this is X. So only one input, so X 0 and 1. So if it is 0, which means that this is 0, this is 0, so then the output equal to 0 from here. If this is 1, then this is 1, this is 1, so the output equal to 1. So whatever we have here, okay, it will be on the output. So X equal to A. So A or A, then it is equal to A. Same as A and A equal to A. لا حد يكتب لي 2A ولا حد يكتب لي A square here. طيب. Okay, suppose I have or inputs or. Okay, then I want to write the truth table. So then start, as we said, that 4, it means that 16 possibilities. So start from 0, 0, 0 until 1, 1, 1, 1. Okay, what to write here as X as output? So it is enough to see 1. Okay, only 1, then the output will be equal to 0. So then this is equal to 0. This is 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. Okay. طيب. Similarly here, suppose I have 3 inputs or so A, B, C, and I want to draw the timing diagram or the waveform of the output X. So as we said that it is enough to see 1. Okay, if you see here from 0 to 9, this is equal to 1, 1, 1, 1. So then for sure until 9, this is equal to 1. Okay, but from 9 to 10, this is 0, 0, 0. So then from 9 to 10 equal to 0. Okay, from 10 to 11, this is equal to 1. So then it's returned back to 1. 11 to 12, this is 0, this is 0, this is 0. Okay, 12 to 13, this is 1. So again, until 15, this is equal to 1. Any question?
دكتور في التايمينج ما يحتاج نسكرها في الأخير؟
إذا مسكرة يس، إذا لا يعتمد الحين هذه يس، لأن بعدها 0 يعني. Okay, how to write the Boolean expression for all these? So here, X equal to A or B or C or D. Okay, رجاء لا حد يقول لي هذه addition. Okay, it is or. Okay, this one it is A or B or C. أي سؤال, any question? ما في؟ طيب. شنو الحين عرفنا؟ عرفنا النوت. اوكي and نكتبهم شوية هذا لين So not, which is this one. Okay, and expression x equal to a bar complement of a. Are the number one, number two, and which is this one, x equal to a and b. Okay, number three, or so x equal to a or b. Okay, خلينا نشوف another one. NAND. NAND is opposite of AND. Okay, NAND is opposite of AND, which means that we have AND. Then after this AND, we have inverter. So this is A, this is B, and this is X. This one, okay, for simplicity, just we put a bubble here. So then this is NAND gate. Well, the truth table, then it is opposite of AND. And as we said that for AND, it is enough to see 1, 0 to say that the output equal to 0. And here, if you see 1, 0, then the output will be equal to 1. So then this is equal to 1, 1, 1, and this is 0. عكس تماما AND. So Boolean expression, it is A and B, but we put a bar here. So this is how we read it. It is NAND, A, NAND, B. طيب. What is the output here? X equal to A and A, and there's a bar here. And we know that A and A, it is equal to A with a bar. Oh, then this is equal to A bar, which is equivalent to not. And then NAND, if we connect these two together, so then the output will be equal to not. Okay, so then this is AX. So then if this is equal to 0, then we have 0, 0, which is equal to 1. And if it is equal to 1, 1, 1, then this is equal to 0. طيب.
دكتور،
نعم.
الناند إذا يعني سوينا كامل الحال، الجواب مال الناند لازم نحط فوق الجواب شخطة ولا بس نحط الجواب؟
وين الجواب الحين؟ الجواب بروحه يطلع فيها الشخطة هذه.
لا الحين مثلا هني أرقام بدل A.
أكو ما حطيت شخطة ولا شيء.
الجواب
لا ما حطيت، أكو قلت X equal to.
ما يحتاج نحط شخطة فوق.
لا لا ما يحتاج. So X equal to. Okay, هذه معناته. For example, if you have only NAND, you can build your logic circuit by using only NAND. Why? Because from this NAND, you can get NAND, and you can put inverter after NAND to get AND, and you can change it to NAND as well, to AND. يعني من الNAND الحين I can get NAND, okay, with a خط NAND. Then I put inverter. Okay, then here X equal to AB, which is AND. إذا قدرت أحصل الNOT وAND. Oops. Sorry. وهذه NAND. Okay. وأيضا ممكن أنا أحصل الأور another things from NAND only، ولكن نمشي step by step. طيب, so that this is AB, so here we have AB, and this one, it is the invert, okay, opposite of whatever we get here, so then it is equal to AB or complement. واضح؟ طيب. That's the way it should be. What do we get here? This is A, this is B. Okay, here we will get A bar. Here we get B bar. Then this is my X equal to A bar or B bar. خلينا نشوف شنو هذه بتطلع. Okay, so just we need to build the truth table for this one. So this is A, this is B. شوف الحين قاعدين نمدد شوية في التروث table. So again, possibility 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. Okay, what do we need here? We need A bar and B bar. So A bar, B bar. A bar is opposite of this one. So 1, 1, 0, 0. B bar is opposite of this. So it is 1, 0, 1, 0. Then the output X equal to A bar or B bar. So between these two. Okay, and this is OR. Or it means that it is enough to see 1, okay, to say that the output equal to 1. So here it is equal to 1. This is equal to 1. This is equal to 1. This is equal to 0. لاحظ هذه الحين. See the output here. And see the output here. They are exactly the same. Which means that adding NAND equivalent to, or here, and here we have a bubble يمثل لي الانفيرت مثل ما سويت في ذي. So this is A, and we have here also. So then they are equivalent. The Boolean expression for this one, it is A, B, all bars. So it is NAND. The Boolean expression for this one, it is equivalent to A bar or B bar. Okay. في سؤال هنا. Okay, let me go here again. Wait, suppose I have 4 inputs. NAND. A, B, C, D. How to write it? So the output X equal to A, B, C, D, NAND. Okay, what is the output? Okay, so from the truth table, just if you see 0 anywhere, then the output equal to 1. فهذه إذا يساوي 1 1 1 1 1. While this one it is 1 1 1 1, then the output will be equal to 0. طيب فالأصل هذه إنها is equal to 1. The output equal to 1, except if we have 1 1 1 1. So then الأصل عندي كذي. But if we have 1 1 1 1, then here, for example, between 1 and 2, it is equal to 1 1 1. So then here it's equal to 0. Okay, again, where do we have 1 1 1? هذه here, between 7 and 8. Where so this is equal to 0. فخلاص. This is correct. Okay, this is the output for 3 inputs, NAND, A, B, C. So then the output equal to A dot B dot C NAND. أي سؤال؟ Any question? اوكي ناخذ بعد على السريع قبل ما يخلص علينا الوقت. Okay, the next one is NOR gate. NOR gate, well, it is opposite of OR. Opposite of OR, so we put here, so we have OR, and the OR, and we put inverter here. So this is A, this is B, so here it is equal to A or B. Then here the output is A or B, and there's a bar, so we call it is NOR. So this one, it is same as if we put a bubble here. How it's work? It is opposite of OR. In OR, we say that if you have 1, okay, in the input, then it is equal to 1 in the output. Okay, here opposite. If you see 1 in the input, then the output will be equal to 0. So here equal to 0. This is 0. This is 0. While this one is equal to 1. Okay, so then the expression for Boolean expression here, x equal to A NOR B. اقراها كذي. طيب. So if we have NOR and we connect both here, so then we have A NOR, so then A or A, it is equal to A, so then it is equal to A bar. which means that if it is 0, then we have 0, 0, and 0, 0, this is equal to 1. And if we have 1, then this is equal to 1 and 1. So then the output will be equal to 0, or the opposite of this. So then it is any inverter, okay? So here we can use OR. Okay, نسوي هيك كذي. So النور. So we have a NOR. هذه NOR. But if I connect it like this, and I change it to NOT, and if I connect these two together, like this, then it becomes OR. Why? Because here we have A, B bar, and here we have A, B bar, and both are, so which is equal to A or B. صارت OR. Okay, also we can build and NAND from OR, NOR, sorry. طيب. Okay, let me see here. شوف شنو يعطينا بعد هذه. Okay, so here let me say that we have 4 inputs NOR. So the output X equal to A, C, D, NOR. And for this one, we use 3. So then the output X equal to, we write it like this. Okay, قلنا and this is opposite of OR. So if you see 1, then directly it is equal to 0. هذه ما عندي 1. So this is equal to 1. While here كلهم عندي 1. Okay, الأصل we have 0. الأصل 0 except if we have 0, 0, 0, 0. So then in timing diagram, so where do we have 0, 0, 0, 0 here? لا هذه كلهم 1. So until 9 it is equal to 0. Why? Because we have 1 here. But from 9 to 10, yeah, this is 0, 0, 0. So then it is equal to 1. Then from 10 to 11, this is 1. So again, 0. From 11 to 12, this is 0, 0, 0. Then it is equal to 1. 12, this is equal to 1. So then it is equal to 0. أي سؤال, any question?
دكتور
نعم.
هذا أنا ما فهمت مال التايمينج. آخر واحد سويته هو المفروض إذا أول واحد 1 وآخر واحد 0، أول واحدة بس تصير 1 البقايا يصيرون 0. ليش خليت إنه كذي؟ ما فهمت.
So this is not, and cover nor so x equal to a. نرجع باك. قول لي الحين. قول لي سؤالك again.
دكتور هو المفروض إذا مثلا أول واحدة 4 input أول واحدة 1 والبقية كلهم 0 أنت خليتهم في هنا في التايمينج من 0 إلى 9 كلهم 0.
هو شنو قاعد يقول الحين؟ التايمينج دياجرام ما له علاقة بذي. التايمينج دياجرام ما له علاقة بذي. التايمينج دياجرام يشوف شنو الانبوت عندي وبالتالي يحدد لي شنو الاوتبوت. فإذا تلاحظ مثلا from 0 to 1 هذه ب0 وهذه ب1 وهذه ب1، فشنو بيصير الاوتبوت؟ مجرد ما يكون عندي واحدة منهم 1 فالاوتبوت equal to 0. اوكي، لو لاحظت هني مثلا from 7 to 8 this is 1 this is 1 this is 1 فأكيد بيكون 0. لكن from 9 to 10 هذه ب0. لاحظ هني هذه ب0. 9 to 10 this is 0. 9 to 10 this is 0 فمعناته الاوتبوت equal to 1. واضح؟ فهو عندي كذي. شنو عندي الانبوت here؟ So here I have 0 0 0 the output will be equal to 1. واضح؟ لو خدت أنا من from 12 to 13 this is 0 but this is 1. okay and this is 0 فمجرد إنه يكون عندي 1 so then this is equal to 0 from 12 to 13 this is 0. فهذه ما لها علاقة بال يعني إن كل التروث تيبل إن هذه 1 0 0. أنا ما قاعد أرسمها بالضبط كامل، قاعد أقول if this is my input A, this is my input B, and this is my input C. Find the output X. فأنت قاعد تأخذها time by time.
شكرا دكتور.
أي سؤال؟